Hi, welcome to Golden Age Biotech Victoria, short-named for GAV. GAV has a total area of 3,000 square meters, with a factory area of 1,500 square meters and the office area of 2,200 square meters. The infrastructures including water, electricity, gas, sewage, and fire controls are in place and maintained in good conditions. Now we are coming to the inside of factory. Now we're coming to the reception hall of GAV. GAV is holding many qualifications and certificates. These certificates include the Certificate of Registration for Exporting Meat from Department of Agriculture, the PrimeSafe, AltMeat, and SGS. These certificates help to perform quality control on our products. Now we're in the first workshop, the casing workshop. GAV is the first beef casing semi-product producing entity in Australia. Due to the impact of COVID-19, the casing workshop is currently suspended because of supply shortage and slow sea freight. GAV is planning to recommission the production of beef casing in the second or the third quarter in 2022. So now we are in the first processing room in the casing workshop. The entire production line, based on one of the most advanced production techniques, were designed in China. The beef intestine will be soaked first, hung onto the machine, and physically separated into casing and mucosa after 4 scraping steps. The casing will be transferred to the next processing room, and the mucosa will be pumped to the heparin workshop through these pipelines. Now we're in the second processing room in the casing workshop. The casing will be soaked in saline solutions, marinated, measured in lengths and widths, and packed over here. This will be the end of beef casing semi-product production, and the casings will wait to be dispatched. This is the casing produced in 2020. Due to the impact of COVID-19, GAV sold the casings to domestic customers in that year. These products are the best in terms of quality worldwide, acknowledged by many customers, including Van Hessen and Superior Casing. GAV has built up 2 workshops in total. One is the one we discussed above, the casing workshop on the right. It was built in compliance with export standards to European Union countries. The other one is the heparin workshop in compliance with industrial regulations. Now we're in the heparin workshop. The first step in heparin production is performing chemical reactions in the mucosa scraped from intestines to transfer the heparin from inside the cells out to the solutions at certain temperature, pH, and salinity. The second step is to absorb heparin out from the solution using resins. The next step will be releasing heparin from the resins into water to make more concentrated solution, which will be carried on to the next step of processing. The resins will be collected and reused in the next production batch. This is the whole system of sewage treatments. Now we're at the specially designed workshop to prevent fire and explosion. Over here, we precipitate the heparin out from water solution using ethanol, and the precipitation will become our final product. The ethanol used can be recycled in this distillation service to be used in the next production batch. In this laboratory room, we would test the amount of effective contents in our heparin intermediates, in terms of which extent heparin can prevent blood from forming clots. This is where we perform the quality control on our products. We have successfully completed the audit from our customers. These are the heparin intermediates ordered by our customers in 2021 and are ready to be dispatched. 15 billion international unit per kilogram of heparin can be found over here, which was $650,000 in total. Every 100 million international unit per kilogram of heparin we produce can be used in first aid to save 2,500 people. We sincerely hope GAV will have a higher production amount and a brighter future to contribute more to the whole society.